Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir 1 Agustus. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov merilis serangan presisi tinggi menghancurkan 2 peluncur roket Amerika Serikat dari sistem roket multipeluncuran HIMARS di wilayah pabrik mesin energi Ukraina di Kharkov. 53 nasionalis Ukraina dan tentara bayaran asing operator juga dieliminasi, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri militer Rusia dan sekutu berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. 2 gudang amunisi di dekat Severex dan Kaliniki, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, 1 pusat pasokan bahan bakar untuk peralatan militer angkatan bersenjata Ukraina di dekat Nikopol, wilayah Dnipropetrovsk, serta 239 area konsentrasi prajurit musuh dan peralatan militer dihancurkan, kata Igor Konasenkov. Secara total 261 pesawat Ukraina dan 145 helikopter, 1.659 kendaraan udara tak berawak dieliminir sejak awal operasi. Juga 361 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 4.215 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 778 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.234 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.621 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor. Dari kubu Kiev, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 200 prajurit Rusia tewas dalam sehari. Total 41.030 tentara Federasi Rusia meninggal sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-159. Panglima Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina Jenderal Valery Zaluzny mempublikasikan rekaman roket jarak menengah MLRS M270 dari Inggris diturunkan ke medan tempur menggempur militer Rusia. Peluncur roket dari London ini melengkapi roket HIMARS dari Amerika Serikat.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision strike has destroyed 2 U.S. rocket launchers of HIMARS multiple launch rocket system on the territory of the Ukrainian energy machines plant in Kharkov. 53 Ukrainian nationalists and foreign mercenaries have been also eliminated. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have struck a temporary deployment point of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Kharkov city. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of up to 200 nationalists and 7 units of military equipment. Due to heavy losses in the 93rd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces in Kharkov direction and the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade in Zaporozhye direction, there is mass abandonment of combat positions and desertion of personnel of these formations to the central and western parts of Ukraine. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 2 ammunition depots near Seversk and Kaliniki in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 fuel supply center for Ukrainian Armed Forces military equipment near Nikopol in Dnipropetrovsk region, as well as 239 areas of enemy manpower and military equipment concentration have been destroyed. In addition, 1 launcher of American anti-ship Harpoon missile system has been destroyed near Veliki Dalnik in Odessa region. In the course of counter-battery warfare, 1 artillery battery of Ukrainian Armed Forces has been destroyed near Umanskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. 8 Ukrainian Grad MLRS platoons and 6 artillery and motor platoons at firing positions near Sukhaya Balka, Petrovskoye, Vodяное, Tonenkoye, Kurdumovka and Dzerzhinsk in Donetsk People's Republic have been suppressed. Russian air defense means have shot down 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Makeyevka and Petropavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Lyubimovka in Zaporozhye region, as well as Chervony Yar, Krasnoye, Andreevka, Zavody, Vernopolye and Izum in Kharkov region. In total, 261 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,659 unmanned aerial vehicles, 361 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,215 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 778 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,234 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,621 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.